This is Miss Jill Louise Starr, and I'm here to let Governor Phil Murphy of New Jersey, President Joe Biden, and former President Trump, either party, you are the most racist, bigoted, discriminatory pieces of shit on earth. The federal government, I just called them. Ever since I have cancer-type pain, the U.S. government says I am disabled and I am unable to work for over 35 years because I have 5 chronic pain diseases and cancer-type pain, just like a dying hospice patient, as bad as a dying hospice patient. Yet, since the opioid laws have changed, and even though the federal government, and it's not going to hurt any goddamn pain management so-called specialists, it's really a disaster all over New Jersey, and especially in Clifton, New Jersey, even though I'm entitled to the opiate pain management I need, and I just spoke to Medicare and the U.S. government, they asked me why I'm calling them up to get on a methadone program, IOP. And I told them I've been on fentanyl and opiates legally for almost 40 years. The opioid laws have changed, and I can't. And now, Dr. DeJesus and United Medical, the Polish guy, Dr. Mike or Seeks at 133 Clifton Avenue in Clifton, and every other doctor in Clifton and Passaic, New Jersey, refuses to treat my pain the way they legally need to. And I have so much pain, I had to call my psychiatrist and tell him I can't tolerate it, to the point I'm not sure what to do. And Walgreens, the motherfucking Muslim and 2 pharmacists in Walgreens, refused to fill a pain prescription my psychiatrist sent in, a medical doctor, to try to save my life and, continue treating me for the pain, because it's hard to fucking tolerate. It's so bad. I can't really, it's hard to take another moment of it. I can't walk the stairs. I can't go get food. I can't even drive. I can barely walk. Even though you see me doing it, I have no one to help me. I was in the military. I have to do what I have to do. And it's intolerable and unbearable. So I called the U.S. government, and I called Medicare. I called the government plan I'm on, Medicare. And I said, I need to go on a methadone program because I can't get, no doctor will give me, and I filed Department of Justice complaints, and I called the FBI and all of them, and you're all guilty. You can stop. Got me, Dr. Jesus, and you, Dr. Six, the Polish guy that stuck me like a fucking whale with an injection I didn't even ask for and charged me $2,000. You think I'm paying a copay on that? No, you're under federal investigation for the Department of Justice. Now, I had enough of all of this. It's not going to hurt anyone's medical license, and the U.S. government just asked me why you, Dr. Jesus, and why you, Dr. Six, or any other goddamn doctor in Clifton, New Jersey, won't give me the pain medicine, the opiate, strong medicine like MS-Con and fentanyl and breakthrough pain medicine that I need, and the surgeons say I need. Injections aren't indicated. I got proof from 10 different surgeons in Passaic County, New Jersey, and Bergen, and no goddamn surgery, spinal surgery that I could use is indicated, because it has less than a 30% success rate in my case. And also, I would have to go into a Kessler pain hospital rehab for almost 8 months. I couldn't even live at home to be taken care of for 8 months. And then I couldn't be able to walk or take care of myself or go up the stairs for 2 years. I have no one to help me. So every surgeon, every pain medicine doctor in Passaic County until the opioid laws were changed, and the surgeons still tell me, and they gave me the names of plenty of pain management so-called specialists that are going to lose their license. As far as I'm concerned, United Medical is your one, Dr. Jesus, and not me. I already have a lawyer, and I already filed the federal investigation. And you, Dr. C, the Polish guy, and every other person that's denying me the medicine that the U.S. government just told me I'm entitled to. It's not going to hurt your license, and it's reckless negligence, and it's attempted murder not to give it to me. And why is it attempted murder, Dr. Jesus, is because, and Dr. Sheiks, is because someone with cancer-type pain, and even U.S. military, my whole family's in the military, I was in the military, my son's in the military, my whole father, and it's none of your business, it's classified. And all you need to know is even a U.S. soldier deployed in Iraq or Vietnam carries around an injection of methadone when they're on duty in a place like Vietnam, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan. And why is that? Because someone that gets shot or is under the type of cancer-type pain the U.S. government says I am, can go into shock and die from shock. If I was just at Chilton Hospital, and I've been to several hospitals here, and if you don't believe me, watch, you get sued civilly too. You're not going to exist soon, Dr. Jesus, United Medical Mark, or any of you motherfuckers in Clifton, New Jersey, like Dr. Sheiks, that thought it was smart to give me, stab me with some injection I didn't even ask for, didn't even tell me what it was, that's giving me more pain than it wasn't all the surgeons, 10 surgeons recommend you don't do, and then threaten me with fucking aspirin, laugh in my face. You are going to jail. You're a criminal and you're attempted murder in my case. The federal government and Department of Justice considers you, because I can go into shock in the type of pain I have and die because you refuse to give me the type of pain medicine that the U.S. government says you should. So take that, Phil Murphy. And your opioid laws are, as far as the U.S. government said, and the lady I just spoke with, is not only promoting additional heroin use in New Jersey, and people are still dying, especially elderly and cancer and people like me, for using illegal heroin. I haven't done it yet. That's why I called for a methadone program, but I can't get on one because the U.S. government and Phil Murphy and everyone else in New Jersey is racist and bigoted. And why is that, people in Newark? And I'm going to tell my gang members right now, Jill Starr can't even get on the methadone program, no matter how much dope I use, don't use, or pain medicine, because Medicare people can't get any on a methadone program. The U.S. government doesn't think a person on Medicare, a white Medicare recipient, needs a methadone program, and never will. Only a black person of color at the methadone clinic tells me, or a gang member, or someone the Freemasons in the Clifton considers has to be destroyed and run out of town because the piece of human crap taking up the tax dollars can get on a methadone program. They just told me in methadone. Only Medicaid recipients in New Jersey can get on methadone program. Everyone else just has to either one, commit suicide, or two, use illegal dope and heroin, which I'm considering doing right now to just end the pain. So you can congratulate yourself, Phil Murphy, because you haven't solved the opiate problem. You haven't solved people dying of opiates, and you've shown that you're a racist. So please don't re-elect any Republican or any Democrat, because they all are a racist bunch of pieces of human shit that won't even give someone like me with 16-year, they don't even think someone like me. The girl said, why you're Medicare, why would you need a methadone program? We don't give people like you methadone programs, you don't need them. I recorded, and a federal official just told me that. That just gives me more reason than ever I'm leaving the country and going to Serbia. Because you know what? I'll live longer there than I will here in this type of pain. Fuck you, America. You better just take me out of your whole U.S. government talent pool. I won't mention the agencies because I've had enough of this. You want to be racist against people on Medicare? People that have a 16-year college education? I will never hurt myself or others. But you've just proven to me you're a bunch of racist pieces of shit, and the Serbian government has better treatment for anybody than you in America. Bye.